Hello, I'm Philip Leakes from Town Garage in Horsforth, Leeds. It's been a family-run business since the early 1960s and is now owned and run by myself and my brother Tony Leakes. The company's ethos has always been to offer a customer main dealer experience at an independent dealership price, giving you the assurance of a good quality job at an honest, affordable rate. Our friendly team of experts, all of whom are main dealer trained, they take pride in delivering a high quality service without the high costs normally associated with the main dealer experience. So there are many reasons to choose us instead of a main dealer. We will save you on average up to 50% on a main dealer price. Your car will be worked on by a fully trained and qualified technician with many years industry experience. We fit OEM spec parts and fluids in line with the manufacturer's recommendations. Your manufacturer warranty will not be affected, so you can rest assured that your pride and joy is maintained impeccably and to the highest standards. We use state-of-the-art computerised diagnostic equipment. We will not recommend unnecessary work on your car. Sometimes main dealers do this to reach their targets. We will pick up and drop off your vehicle free of charge. So, the next time your car is in need of service or repair or any maintenance issue, why not call down, give us a call and see how we can save you a lot of money without compromising anything on service.